open them in Canva, you will see the first page will have all 4 frames together, and then each individual page like this. Some people like to work small like this, all of them together, so they can quickly just drag and drop into them like this. So these are your bonus papers, by the way. There are 8 of them. They just drag and drop like this. Oh, this is the 3 tulips, by the way. It's just 1 frame. So if you click on it, you see it's just one paper. So you can't add 3 different papers for each for the 3 tulips. It's just 1 paper. And then the stems, though, you can put 3 different. Like this can go in here. Uh-oh, let me see if I have it. Is it going? Is it going? No. There it is. And then you can add a different one into the next stem, and this one into the 3rd stem. And let's see, this one we can put this purple. And then also the water drops that's coming out of the water can, those can also have in 3. You can of course also delete the water drop if you want. Okay, like that. I'm just going to go down and show you what I did with the butterfly so that you can see what else you can do with it. So now that you drag and drop the pattern, you can also drag and drop videos. You can upload the video that you have, or you can use a video from Canva. Of course, you have to read the term of use first before you use them, any of Canva's items. So let me try this. This is kind of cool. So it starts moving. You see that? Isn't that nice? And you could change the position of the video by double clicking on it, and then you can move it, make it bigger, move it around, up and down, and just move out of it if you want to close that, the editing part, and then do it again. So let's try this one. Oh, wow. It's very cool. We can also try this butterfly. See? And of course, once you have it as a video, when you download it, share, and then download onto your computer, you should save it as an MP4 video. Otherwise, it'll just be a still image like this. Okay? And then just hit download. Let's see, photos. You can do the images here, graphics. This, use Canva or use or use the bonus like that. Isn't that cute? Let me see. I don't like how they have it though. I think it's like this because the background of the pattern is transparent. You have to pick something that is not transparent. Like this one, I believe. Yep. You can tell it's transparent when, let's see, we picked this one where you see it's white background, right? But when you click on the butterfly, see how it turns black? That means that it's transparent. I'm amazed it actually went in, because normally when I try it, it would not click onto the butterfly or any other image if it's not one with a solid background like this one. And then here's another one. These are cool. And you can also change the outline, the border around the butterfly. Just highlight it and then change into any other color. You can also try to match it by using the pick of colors here. So like this, you see? Or you could totally be different. What else can you do? You could also modify the paper, double click, and then rotate them. Or you can make bigger. And then just say okay. You see? Now it's rotated a little bit, tilted, and it's a little bit bigger than before. Let me just make it a little smaller so you can see. Okay? Anything else? You can also delete this outline if you like, or just make it what's the outline here? You could just delete it like that.